1 kilo and 200 grams. That's 200 grams, 400 grams,
Oh yeah, that.
600 grams, 800 grams. How many grams is in a kilogram?
I don't know.
You don't know? 1,000.
That's all.
Watch where you're pouring it.
Another bus. Can I get out?
Pop it on there. Now, is this going to be too much or not enough?
Not enough.
Did you wash them?
That's 200 grams.
Oh, bangarang.
Bangers.
Yeah, we've just clumps and clumps of stuff, and it took us a long time to mix it in.
Yeah.
Electric mixer.
We do it all by hand.
Cool.
Oh, you've got another knife. Now remember, two thumbs need to go in. There we go.
Yay! I did it.
Is there any egg in there? No, there's no shell in there. Good.
I did it this time.
Clearly you managed it. There, much better. Now stick your thumbs in carefully. Very good.
That's not going to do.
Yeah, jam them in.
So-
There you go. It says you need to add beaten eggs into the mixture, which says you beat them first.
Good.
Eggs and flour.
Excellent.
Keep pouring it until it comes all the way out. Like this, like this. That's it.
Now I've got flour on me.
That's fine. There you go. Very, very careful. Probably.
I should go and stand on for myself, really.
You need to buy some because this is rubbish.
But they're lost. Gently. That's it. Yeah.
Sorry.
Just chip tap the chip tap.
Hard. Now
is
it's
hard.
basically stuck. Oh.
Just where we go. There we go.
Now?
Put them in the middle. That's it. Okay. That's sort of roughly about right in that. In there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is look at this one. And move him around as well.
Uh-huh.
Like that. Okay?
Yep.
Just don't want to let all the heat out until we're ready. Okay, watching?
Yes.
Blue. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Can you reach? Yes, you can. Perfect. Yes, very good. Then.
Why?
That's why.
I don't get to try the cake.
I said you can pick some of it.
Okay, I'll lick some of it.
Mm-hmm.